So we're having mixed raccoon ramen here. Welcome everyone to Johnny Rowe Cooks to the ramen review series, where we buy and try different types of instant noodles and give you a brief overview on the quality and the flavor and whether you should just go out and buy it and try it for yourself. Today we're gonna try out bokkeum Neoguri, which means it's a stir-fried noodle. It's a dry noodle, so there's no broth to this one. That's a Neoguri. I think that's a raccoon. And I guess raccoons in Korea are orange and they wear glasses. So I opened the package and this is what we got. They look spaghetti noodle size. They're definitely thicker than your shin ramen. This must be our raccoon flakes. Oh, we got those little pieces of raccoon in there. Interesting. Wonder what that guy tastes like. Here's our soup mix. And we have this seasoning oil. Easy cut option there. Very nice. Okay. All right, that should do it. Let's give this a try. Okay, let's try this out, everybody. So here it is. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, it's got some spice there. Definitely. The noodle texture is quite nice. It's thicker than your traditional ramen or Korean ramen. How do I describe this to make it appetizing? First thing that comes to mind on the texture of the noodles is that it's chewy and it's slimy because of the sauce. It's definitely adding a slime factor. It's actually a pretty pleasant slime. It's not doesn't put you off. Definitely got some seafood action going on in them. The flavor, I think it resembles something shrimpy and squiddy to me. That's what I'm finding. There's these little bits here. It looks like beef, but with the camera oh shoot, okay, really gets a treat. Not sure if the camera can focus on this. Yeah, I think that's like, is that beef? What the hell is that? No, that's squid. I don't know what the hell's in this. What's this, seaweed, wakame? Yeah, that's definitely seaweed. We got some carrot. Yeah, that's carrot. And our raccoon head, I don't know what this is made from, but I like that. I think it's fish cake. And that's pretty much it for what's in here. Out of 5, the spice level is going to be 3.5 to a 4. It's not super duper spicy. It's not a 5. As for flavor, it's okay. I don't know if I buy this again, to be honest. Overall, I give this a 2.5 out of 5. It's nothing special.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.